Check out this nice ride right here at the Trading Post. A like new 2016 Cadillac CTS Performance Edition, 2.0 turbo engine, only 69,000 miles. You heard it correctly, guys, 69,000 miles. Conover location. This thing's loaded. Backup camera, backup sensors, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, big pano roof on the inside. Let's look on the inside. It's just as new and clean. Navigation, heads-up display, Bose stereo, memory seats, blind spot monitoring. This thing's fully loaded with 69,000 miles. Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit. Guys, we have programs for everyone at the Trading Post. Check out my website to apply. New website, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information and we'll go to work for you. 2016, new, 69,000 mile Cadillac CTS Performance Edition here at the Trading Post, 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com. You're going to love it here. You're going to love our Cadillac. Get it before it's gone. A lot of car for the money. 828-464-0600, tradingpostcars.com.